On the heels of airstrikes, geopolitical risks, another thing for investors to keep an eye on, especially in light of the airstrikes we saw in Syria over the weekend by the U.S., French, and British forces. So we took a look at the hardware that was used, also the companies that are making it. The powerful missile attack on 3 targeted sites involved 105 weapons, 66 Raytheon Tomahawks, that's the U.S. military's go-to, launched from 3 warships and a Virginia-class submarine. Tomahawks can carry a 1,000-pound warhead up to 1,500 miles and be reprogrammed mid-flight. Also, this put a spotlight on the Pentagon's new stealthy guided missile. This is the Lockheed Martin-made JASSM JASSM with 19 fired for the first time in a combat situation. Those 2 can travel up to 500 miles with a 1,000-pound warhead. Air-launched Storm Shadow and Scalp missiles were also fired by British and French fighter jets, and 3 French naval cruise missiles. So defense stocks are higher today, though I will say those moves relatively muted. Raytheon did reach a new high, but if history is any indicator, funding for replacements will likely make their way into the defense budget. And guys, I was actually at Raytheon's facilities in Arizona just a couple of months ago, where they've been manufacturing the Tomahawks that were being replaced after the strikes we saw last year as well.
I take it they have a different level of information and insight into the actual effectiveness of these weapons when they're being used in an operation like this?
Absolutely. I think the technology is pretty incredible. It's also interesting just to sort of see the rhetoric we've seen back and forth with Russia's response and Syria's response over the weekend. The Pentagon and our allies are saying, no, nothing was intercepted. Nobody even reacted until after we made our strikes possible. But I'm going to be talking about this, looking at this more, and sort of the technology, both from a defense and space perspective. Tomorrow, we're going to be out at the Space Symposium broadcasting from there. We've got a number of interviews, including the Air Force Secretary Heather Wilson, and also Boeing's CEO of Defense, Space, and Security, Leanne Corrett. So more conversation to come this week.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.